Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change bubble color in Google Messages. So first you just need to make sure that you have the last updates of Google Messages, and then I want you to go through your app Google Messages, and right here what I want you to do is to go to a conversation and tap on it, and after that I want you to go into these 3 points, and here you will see the bubble option or change color option. I don't have that option for some reasons, I don't know why, so I need to make a report or something. Anyways, or the second option, you can tap on the name of that contacts, and right here you will see or it will be visible to you the change color option. It's not visible for me, as I told you, for some reasons. Okay, so I will show you exactly how it looks like. So everybody, as I told you, you just need, let's follow these pictures. You just need to tap on the name of the contact that you want to change the color of bubbles, and then you just need to go through, or it will be visible to you, the change colors option on the top of notification and the other options. So once you tap on it, it will open up, or it will pop up a page or a window just like that one, and right here you can change the color of the messages, and also it will be applied automatically on the bubbles. So let's consider that you choose the blue one or the green one, and then you will once you tap on confirm, it will be applied directly. So the steps is waiting right here. It's open the Google Messages app on your phone, and after that you need to head to the conversation where you want to change colors. And once you get in, you need to tap on their contact name at the top, and then go to the change colors option as shown in the message, that one. So you need to tap on it, and after that you will just pick a theme you like and tap on confirm. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.